Hey, my name is Kjell and I'm from Belgium. I run a social media marketing agency and I'm also a course creator teaching other people how to start and grow their own agency. And I've been using ClickFunnels for like 3 years now. I love it so much. And so I got in touch with then Havey and I was telling him that I'm using Kajabi, right? I'm using Kajabi for the hosting of my course. And he was telling me that basically he can do everything Kajabi does and way more in ClickFunnels. Now, I really couldn't believe that there are possibilities to do the same things. And so he proved me wrong. So I invested into his course, which was basically the best investment I could ever make. And he over-delivered by a lot. A couple of weeks later, he reached out to me saying that he basically copied everything from Kajabi, the team that I was using, into ClickFunnels. So he sent me over the share funnel. I looked at it and I was mind blowing. It couldn't get any better. Like literally, this guy is insane. He knows everything about ClickFunnels. He knows everything about coding. He knows everything about membership sites. It's insane. We have had so much help, so much support. Our students love the new course, like the new platform, the way we're using it right now. It's amazing. And so I just want to say thank you so much. If you are a course creator, if you are paying a lot of money on courses or on hosting courses, right? I want to tell you, go ahead and look at what Dan Havey has to offer you, because I can't say thank you enough. He's been helping us a lot. Every time we are struggling somewhere or if we want to make changes, he always finds a solution. It's insane. I'm always mind blown by the guy. So if you're considering it, if you're a course creator and you're looking to build or look for a new platform to use, that's way cheaper than any other platform and that has way more functionalities than any other platform, then just go ahead and go purchase the course that Dan Havey is selling, because it's probably the best investment. It's saving us a lot of money and our students love it way more than Kajabi was, right? So yeah, man, thank you so much, Dan. Hope you have a great day and speak to you soon. Bye-bye.